Welcome to Phi, where we unravel life's mysteries through philosophy. Today, we explore how to live in the present, a vital skill in our distracted world. Our guide is Albert Camus, who embraced life's absurdity and found joy in the now. Let's begin. Camus saw life as devoid of ultimate meaning, a truth he called the absurd. In the Myth of Sisyphus, he writes, "The absurd is born of this confrontation between the human need for meaning and the unreasonable silence of the world. Yet this silence is freeing. Let go of chasing purpose, and you embrace the moment, the sun's warmth, a friend's laughter." Here, life truly starts. Camus' response is Revolt, a bold choice to live fully despite meaninglessness. He declares, "Revolt gives life its value. It's not about grand deeds, but cherishing small moments. The taste of bread, the breeze on your face. In the stranger, Massault finds peace in simple sensations. Try this. For 1 minute, focus on your senses. Let the now anchor you. Clinging to past or future binds us. Camus offers freedom through the present. In The Rebel, he states, "Slow, real generosity towards the future lies in giving all to the present." This is true freedom, choosing the now over what-ifs. Today, note one thing you're grateful for, a kind word, a quiet moment. That's your gift to the present. Camus cherished life's vibrancy. Wine, soccer, the Mediterranean sun. He demands passion. In the Myth of Sisyphus, he envisions Sisyphus endlessly pushing his boulder and proclaims, "One must imagine Sisyphus happy." Sisyphus finds joy in the act of living. So can you. Today, do one thing passionately. Dance, cook, connect. Live as if this moment is all. Camus' final gift is acceptance. Embracing the absurd brings peace in the now. He concludes, "The struggle itself towards the heights is enough to fill a man's heart." This isn't surrender, it's serenity. When worry arises, breathe and say, "This moment is enough." Let Camus' absurd peace guide you. Camus teaches us to live in the present through revolt, freedom, passion, and acceptance. He reminds us, real generosity towards the future lies in giving all to the present. Phi community, what will you give to this moment? Share below, like and subscribe, and let's keep exploring life's art. Stay curious and stay present.